What's up there, YouTubers? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. I don't know if you can tell by my makeup, but it's 4th of July. I just got well, y'all see I got my green screen in the back with girls been hooking up a little vlog for me. But today I am going to be doing a sophisticated high puff, okay? So let's just get right into this video. But first, let me say what's up to all my subbies. And hello, if you're here for the first time, it's your girl, Shay Skylar, okay? So let's get right into it. My hair, this is an old spray and go. Y'all know I don't do I don't do wash and goes. I do spray and goes, okay? So this is well, no, yesterday was it a spray? It was a spray and go with a side part, but then I put it in a puff, and then this is what I got here. So let's get this video started. What I'm going to be using today is, of course, my Eco Salad Gel, and I'm running out. I need some more. It's like literally like empty. Like I'm scraping from the sides. I'm so sad. I'm also going to be using, of course, y'all know, my Mayo Organics. I'm going to be using the coil sculpting custard, and then I'm also going to be using the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. I love this edge gel. When I slicked my edges down yesterday, it actually did last me all day. Sincerely, I'm going to be using this. I'm also going to be using some decor, so I have my gold string, and then of course I'm going to need a scrunchie, and then my combs and my toothbrush to slick down my edges, okay? And also, I love my water. I always leave my water. All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my water bottle that's full with conditioner as well, and I'm going to, let's look at the edges from yesterday. But I'm going to spray that around the perimeter of my hair. I did leave my brush upstairs, so I'm going to just take my comb. After I apply my Mia Organics, I'm going to take that in my hand. I'm going to rub it as if it's lotion, and I'm going to add that to the perimeter around my hair. Then I'm going to take my comb so I can stretch the portion that I added the water and conditioner mixture with the Mia Organic product, in order just to make sure that my hair is as stretched as possible along the perimeter. Then I am going to pull it and sleek it into a pony. Again, I don't have my brush, so that means I need to use my hand to make sure that I get the hair as flat as possible in the back and in the front. So I'm going to take my comb again to make sure that it's super flat, and then I'm just going to put that hair into a pony. All right, guys, so after I put my hair in the pony, I'm going to take the stretchable band that I have, and I'm going to use that as a scrunchie. And then I'm going to take I'm going to leave an inch from the first scrunchie to the second scrunchie of hair, which is going to make my puff super high, i.e. the sophisticated puff. So I'm going to just take that, and then I'm going to wrap that around like it's a scrunchie as well. Well, it is a scrunchie because I tied it, but y'all know what I mean. So I'm just going to take my gold decor, and I'm going to add that around that 1-inch perimeter that I have just to decorate it. And that is it. Easy breezy lemon squeezy hairstyle. The only thing left is to just decorate it. You can put whatever you want in that little portion, and then fix your edges, and voila, call it a day. Yes, I think this is a really cute style. It is very cute, very sleek and chic. I probably want to work it on a day-to-day basis, but this is really cute for like a photo shoot that I'm about to do right now. So yeah, let me know what you think. And after I fix these edges, get these edges together. My edges won't like lay correctly unless I like get something to flatten it. Is it just me? Like, I don't care what type of edge controlling gel I use. I have to like get something to lay on it flat. But this will work for now. Let me know what you think. Bye.